Hello everyone. Today I will present my material entitled 30 Points of Leadership for Executive Success. My name is Niputriani Vistanise, and for the first is about walk to walk. Walk to walk. Live out company vision and values. Second, to involve yourself rumor, gossip, or office politics, which can turn uh, the office into a small fight. Workplace gossip is more often that not mean spirited and spiteful, and it want to your career anecdote and constantly be commenting on others professionally or criticizing their personality. Third, give accept praise for other work. Give credit where credit is the value, and even if you are the senior team member is part of a project work will only make your team resent you. Suddenly, and similarity don't steal the blame if you made an error, admit your mistake. You can say, I must have words to my PA about it. 4. Even if you feel you were left, we must go to work. Respect the team ethic by clog, not clogging and praising team effort. This project needed a more comprehensive and front report rather than I feel blah 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 etc. However, remember that if you are the team leader, you are the held responsible for any shortcoming, and you should accept the praise used as being a fake of leadership. 5. Keep your promise. Keep your promise. This applies for promise intensive as much as promising certain phone calls or promising to undertake delicate tasks. 6. Return phones call and answer carries properly. It wells mentioned and set good example of efficiency. 7. Respond to important letter that same week that they arrive. 8. Be punctual. No one likes to be keep waiting and happening with the company, especially things like MERS. After all, if you're dedicated employees, they'll I feel it's their company too. 9. Don't keep secret. Let your staff in on what's happening with the company, especially like makers. After all, if you are dedicated employees, they'll feel their company too. 10. Over to late ahead. You should act as mentor for junior staff and help them to learn, while at the same time being on the lookout for ways to help our senior management. You will be thought of as not only multi-skilled and encouraged, but also enthusiastic, all qualities which help you to be climb the corporate ladder. 11. Return borrow items properly and in perfect condition and always thanks the leader. 12. Be generous rather than necessary. There's difference between generosity and extravagance, and you don't have to go to the extreme, but offering to pick up and send it for busy college or sorting co-workers a drink after work occasionally will be appreciated. 13. Be the first to congratulate high achiever or even to send a letter of congratulation to client. It may be something as simple as sending a congratulatory card to a colleague who's been promoted, or even a card a client who's become parents. It's though that counts. 40. Be gracious to colleagues and contemporaries who may have been promoted ahead of you, even if you think that would have been better candidate. Who knows? They may recommend you for the next available position, and your list will count your loyalty. 15. Different colleagues who have been worked. After all, you'd expect them to do the same for you. 16. Don't play fair weather friend and drop college off the good books list on hearsay. 17. Make the company proud by always being presentable. You have an image to upload, remember, so don't let your immaculate presentation flag off after a few months at the job. 18. Respect your superior. Respect your superior. That not to say that you can best friend them, but just that July nature you may share with your contemporaries is often out the place with your senior superiors of your boss. Show difference of them, they usually earn it. 19. Don't boast about your success. Your schooling, your family, connection are the standard of your work. Having a holier than thou attitude won't either you to your workmate. 20. Be compassionate. Take into account that your secretary has just been dispersed or that your partner is the financial trouble and treat them accordingly. You don't have to walk on exit, but show genuine concern and offer to help in any way you can. 21st, share your good news and success with your team. Make personal success team celebration and you will motivate your team to achieve. 22nd, write personal thank you notes. There is no doubt about it. They really to make a difference and your personal place in your clients and colleagues' eyes. Suddenly, you are not just Chris Missile from accounting, you are also seen to be genius, thankful and caring person. 23. Motivate and encourage other team members. You'll get down from time to time and sometimes it seems our workplace is too much to bear, but a little encouragement goes a long way and it does take much to put a smile back on a workmate face. 24. Organize cooperative gift-giving effort for sick or injured uh, co-workers facing around the official collection plate to buy a gift for colleagues who are having a hard time in the less you can do. 25. When you introduce people, mention both passion in a good light. For example, you could say, Christine, would you like to meet Max Hope from Self? Max, this is Christine Oliver from Customer Service. However, it would be much more flattering and impressive for both if you say, Christine, would you like you to meet one of the most successful salesmen at Carbon Credit. Next hope makes this Christine Oliver from Customer Service who managed to calm even our most cantankerous client. 26. Do neglect the little people, even if they played a minimal part in your success. If you held an extremely successful seminar and everyone commented that for once cares were comfortable, contact the care hire company, let them know how pleased everyone was and thank them It's small part of the success, but it's worth turning around to think how glad they will be helped next time. 27. Be gracious at company event. Make new friends, speak with clients, and influence people. 28. Shake hands firmly. You can come across and poised and confident, and that's important in business. And 29. Calculative, the skill of small talk. You withdraw as a laugh if you can chat naturally with everyone. And the last is don't have do as I say, not as I do mentality. How can you expect your team to be successful or respectful if they recognize you as hypocrite? You must set a good example. Thank you, and that's all for my presentation. Have a nice day.